Tonight we're going to talk about the bullfinch, the rose, and the blood.
Welcome to Red Special at Arnhem. Tonight we're going to talk about the color red's natural sources. Please welcome our first guest, the expert in bullfinches. Excuse me?
That means hello in bullfinch.
Oh, interesting. So where did you learn to speak bullfinch?
Well, my family was poor and sent me to a grad school with the only expertise of bullfinches.
Okay.
So that's how I learned. And I was an exchange student in a bullfinch family.
So you speak fluent bullfinch?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, play movie.
What's your name and what are we doing here?
My name is Farnell Krugenegger and I'm gonna talk about the bullfinch. The rare Eurasian bullfinch is red for the red color on his chest. If the male doesn't have a red color on his chest, he will be not attractive for the females. The female doesn't like a bullfinch that doesn't have red on his chest.
Then what happens if the male has a red chest?
Their strong red color attracts the females. Look!
Thank you, Mattefjarte. Now I want to welcome another guest, our expert in roses. Hello. Hello. So you're the expert in roses. Why are you so interested in roses?
First of all, I love the color. Red is so beautiful.
Yeah.
And my mom, she worked with roses a lot. So I have learned a lot from her. So because she was a professor.
Okay.
Yes.
But we want to know, why is the rose red?
You know, it's very many different colors, but it's difficult to explain because of everything it's put inside. It's a lot of things to do, and you know, it's I tried to rip out a leaf and checked it out. And it's lots of small particles and stuff.
Okay. Play movie. Hello, I'm Tina, and tonight I'm going to ask you some questions. Who are you, and what do you do?
I'm Carol Polari. I'm the rose scientist on this lab.
Can you tell us something about the rose?
Yes, the rose is the color halfway between red and magenta. And here you see the color red on the HSV color wheel. And I have a rose leaf here. I'm looking at it. It's very interesting.
Yes, but can you tell us why is the rose red?
Rose is one of the tertiary colors of the HSV color wheel. The complementary color of rose is the spring green. Here.
Yes, but can you tell us why is the rose red?
A rose is a perennial flower shrub or vine of the genus Rosa within the family Rosaceae that contains over 100 species and comes in a variety of colors. Yes, most of the roses are native to Asia.
Blood contains my blood plasma and blood cells, and the blood cells are red, and that's why it's red.
Excuse me, hello. I'm Turner. How are you doing?
It's bloody hell!
What? I can see! How are you doing?
I'm not fine! It's bloody hell!
Taina Vitaina. We had a little accident on the Caripolaris interview, so our blood expert couldn't come today. So, what do you think about our blood expert?
Yeah, he was very annoying and irritating.
What? Are you talking about me?
Oh no! Okay, enough for today. You okay? Okay. We'll see you next week.